Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I am sharing corn and tofu seafood soup. Ingredients include cream-style corn. Don't buy the corn kernels. It says cream-style on the can is correct. Piece of tofu. A few frozen shrimps. A small piece of frozen fish. If you use fresh shrimp and fish to make, the effect will be better. A few dried scallops. Dried fish maw. Pre-soaked for 2 hours. I'll deal with it later. Process the scallops first. Wash clean. Add water to cover the surface and steam for half an hour. If you want to save energy, you can also put it in the rice cooker when cooking rice. To steam. After boiling, steam for half an hour. During this time, cut the ingredients. Cut the fish into small pieces. Seasoning. Half teaspoon sugar. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon chicken powder. Small amount of pepper. A small amount of sesame oil. A teaspoon cornstarch. Mix well. Spare. Cut the soaked dried fish maw into small pieces. Deal with it later. Cut the tofu into small pieces. Deal with it later. Boil an appropriate amount of water and add 2 slices of ginger. Add fish maw. Can effectively reduce fish's smell. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove. Change water. Boil about 2 bowls of water. A teaspoon sugar. A teaspoon of salt. Small amount of pepper. Half teaspoon chicken powder. Turn off the heat after boiling. Soak the fish maw in half of the soup. Increase its flavor. Otherwise it will have no taste. Soak the tofu in the soup. The principle is the same. Increase its flavor. Spare. After the dry utensils are steamed, drain them. Press it until loose. Spare. Prepare 3 eggs. Only egg white, because the color matches the soup. Egg yolks can be used for fried rice. Many ingredients this time. I repeat it again. Fish and shrimp cut into small pieces. Seasoned. Soaked dried fish maw cut into small pieces. Add seasoned soup for soaking. Increase its flavor. Cut tofu into small pieces. Add seasoned soup for soaking. Dried scallops steamed for half an hour. Crush it. Keep the soup. Add to corn soup to increase the flavor. A can of cream-style corn. Don't buy corn kernels. 3 egg whites. Boil water. After boiling, add fish and shrimp. Cook for a minute. Turn off the heat. Take up. Wash the wok clean. Drain the tofu and fish maw. Can make soup now. Add a can of corn. Add 2 cans of water. Boil it. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking. After boiling, add scallops and soup. After boiling again, test before seasoning. Because scallops and corn are both salty, it is recommended to test before seasoning. Slightly not salty enough. Half teaspoon chicken powder. Half teaspoon salt. Taste again. Salty enough. Add other ingredients. Cook for a while. Wait for the ingredients to absorb the flavor of the soup. Add appropriate amount of cornstarch water. Thicken it. Because of the addition of egg whites, so the soup should not be too thick. As in the film is enough. Otherwise, after adding egg white, it will be too thick. Slowly add egg whites. Stir lightly. You can turn off the fire and eat. It is recommended to add pepper before eating. The flavor is better. Corn tofu and seafood soup is completed. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.
如果大家鍾意我頻道，希望你可以訂閱同埋撳埋通知嘅啷啷，咁先唔會錯過影片嘅更新。多謝大家。